Hello, my name is Guillaume. I am from Mauritius, and I have ordered a CNC 4-axis router with AccTek factory directly. I have ordered my CNC last year, 2021, in June. It's a custom build, so AccTek made a custom CNC for our needs. So it took a couple of months to get ready. We got it ready approximately in September, and then it has been shipped to us in a container, 20-foot container, to Mauritius, and we received it in December and started working on it since January. So basically the machine is working every day since January, and I must say I'm very satisfied with it. I have absolutely no problem so far. It's doing great work, it's precise. I've absolutely nothing to say about it, to be honest, for the moment, I hope. So everything is great. I dealt with Leo from the sales team. Leo arranged everything for us. The size, he tailored the CNC according to our needs. So he was very responsive. And I would say this was our first time purchase from them. And we didn't even go to China. Normally for that piece of machinery, sometimes we go to the factory and see. But due to COVID-19, we couldn't fly to China. So we basically trust them. And we're very satisfied with AccTek, with Leo, and all they have been providing so far. Once we received the CNC, they set up a WhatsApp group with engineers. I'm dealing with Kate from AccTek directly. They basically answered all my technical questions very fast. In not more than one day, I got everything answered. So yeah, I would recommend AccTek products to anyone who want to invest into CNC 4-axis router or anything else. I think they are serious, and I'm very satisfied of the purchase. And here we go.